Hi all, welcome back. So till now we have discussed how enterprise security models works. We will not go into further details of these models as it's out of scope for this course, but we have covered pretty much details to set the context. In this lecture we will discuss what are the security goals. So let's get started. So our first security goal is authentication. Authentication is the process of verifying the identity of the user or process. It deals with the question who is the user. The process to find this answer basically involves extracting the user related information, such as username and corresponding password, from an access request to a system and comparing it to a database of previously defined valid users. Our next security goal is authorization. Authorization is the process of validating the rights or the privileges that the user has for a resource. Authorization deals with the question, what is the user allowed to do? This user should have been authenticated before authorization occurs in order to differentiate the access privileges or the authorization attributes. Our next security goal is confidentiality. This refers to the protecting information, data or system from being accessed by unauthorized user. Data encryption is a good example to ensure confidentiality. Our next security goal is integrity. This refers to maintaining the accuracy, consistency, and trustworthiness of our data over the entire life cycle. Integrity is the method for ensuring that data is real, accurate, and safeguarded from unauthorized user modification. It is the property that information has not been altered in an unauthorized way and that the source of information is genuine. Our next security goal is non-repudiation. Non-repudiation is the property of ensuring that someone cannot deny that they have performed an action in an effort to avoid being held accountable. Non-repudiation concerns with the ability to prevent users from denying responsibilities for the action they performed. In the IT security world, repudiation examples are someone denying that the certain transaction has been carried out, or a user denying the authenticity of its own signature. The next security goal is availability. Availability is a property in which data or system being available for use. It is the guarantee of reliable, constant access to our data and system by authorized people. Availability ensures reliability and an acceptable level of performance for legitimate users of computing resources. The next security goal is accountability. Accountability is an attribute related to a certain individual or organization being held responsible for its action. The idea is to ensure that all operations performed by systems or processes can be identified and precisely associated with their author. It answers the questions like what did the user do? This function serves not only to provide statistics about legitimate use but also to spot unexpected user behavior.